To connect the FarmBlick community with the John Deere Operations Center, you have to link the two portals once. To do this, we start in the program settings. In the bottom left-hand corner of the navigation bar, click on the icon with the cogwheel and magnifying glass, and then on the program settings icon. Now a window settings and statistics opens. In the lower section you will find the area Establish a connection to external programs. In this area, click on Make John Deere Connection. The program will then automatically redirect you to the login page of the John Deere Operations Center, and you must enter your username and password for the Operations Center here. In addition, this section describes which data is exchanged between the Operations Center and the FarmBlick community. Confirm everything with the button Allow Access. After confirmation, the system will automatically redirect you back to the FarmBlick community. Now we have to confirm the connection within the John Deere Operations Center. To do this, we switch to the Operations Center. We find the approvals in the Connections area. To get there, we go to the Setup tab and switch to Connections. The Operations Center now switches to the Connections page. Here you will now see all the programs that can be linked to the Operations Center in the form of business cards. Now look for the FarmBlick community. Within the business card of the FarmBlick community there is a button with Select Organizations, which you press and then confirm the window that opens with Save. Now the connection between the FarmBlick community and the John Deere Operations Center has been successfully established, and you can switch to the FarmBlick community. If the button Select Company does not appear in the business card, but instead says Manage, you have already established a connection, or one of your partnered farms in the Operations Center is already using the FarmBlick community. This is often the case with partnered John Deere dealers. To connect anyway, you have to disconnect this user in the Operations Center, and you can reconnect after connecting to the FarmBlick community. To disconnect the FarmBlick community from the Operations Center again, you can simply click on Disconnect John Deere in the FarmBlick community program settings. Information on the data exchange between the FarmBlick community and the Operations Center or your John Deere machines can be found in Tutorial 5.2.